Hi everyone, JaLingo's word of the week is Badmind. Badmind is a term commonly used to describe someone who is jealous or envious of someone else. Other meanings? Someone who is resentful of another person's success and also wishing for them to fail. Badmind also refers to someone who negatively critiques another on their success. Example. So Kevin may say, I hear Tanya got promoted as president of the club. John may respond, I wonder what she do to get that position there. I don't know what she have over me. This simply means, Kevin would have said, I heard Tanya got promoted as president of the club, and John would have responded saying, I wonder what she did to get where she's at, because I don't see why they picked her over me. Now in this scenario, we've described John as being Badmind, because instead of accepting the fact that Tanya was promoted, he began questioning why something like that would happen to her. And then he even went on to question if a bribe was involved. Related words to Badmind include wicked or dirty heart. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.